how to make Xbox download games faster. So in here, the very first thing I recommend you guys do is optimize your internet. So what you should do is use a wired Ethernet cable instead of your normal Wi-Fi for the best stability and speed. Then you should actually upgrade the internet plan if possible. So if you have, very slow internet, then I highly recommend you guys do that. So lastly, I would recommend you guys restart the router or modem. So after doing that, second thing that you should be doing is manage other users. So for example, you should reduce the network congestion and also limit streaming and downloads on other devices. What you should do is prioritize on downloading games on your Xbox rather than on other devices, right? And thirdly, what you can do is clean your cache. So for that, what you should do is wipe the temporary files, and then for the Xbox Series X or S, you'd need to do the full power cycle. So if you are going for the Xbox One, you'd need to actually clear the persistent storage. And a fourth thing that you need to do is check for system updates. Keep the console software current, which often includes optimization, and then from there you can get to the settings system and update it, right? So after updating it, fifth thing that you can do is use the power mode. Set your power mode to sleep and enable keep my games and apps up to date, and then leave Xbox on low power mode. So after doing that, the very last option or the very last method that I can tell you guys do is select the faster storage. What you can do is install on internal SSD, which is the primary speed, and use high speed external drives and move games to fastest drive. So after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to make your Xbox download games faster. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.